Hi guys, my name's Liam, this is my wife Georgia, and we are packing for places. So, really spontaneous. The guys that I went out with the other day have just come knocking going, we're going to climb a volcano in the morning, do you want to come? So, we're going. It is 2 hours bike ride, which is quite far, but we're just going to stop on the way, aren't we? We're going to go and stay in Airbnb tonight, and then in the morning we're getting up at 3, and we're going to climb to the top and see the sunrise. So, should be good. 40 minutes into the drive and we had to stop, didn't we?
I've got another.
Oh, the views. Views are unbelievable. Still got an hour and 10 minutes, so we'll have to stop again.
We're literally going from one end of the island to the other.
Oh my God, that was insane. About an hour into it, the rain started coming down, going down steep hills. I've only got like a 125 bed with Georgia on the back. I couldn't film any of it because it was just too wet. The rain was hammering down until you see Georgia. She's not happy.
That was fucking gnarly. 3 hours on the back of a ped, hammering it down.
Oh no, but look at it now where we're staying.
If you not bring the ticket, you break it or something like that. Okay. Ayam goreng.
Dinner for tonight.
Yeah, 2 ayam goreng.
I don't know what I ordered, but yeah, nice. Yeah, no, it's fine. We'll eat them.
Okay, I bring here. There.
Morning, guys. Just woke up. Me and Georgia didn't sleep very well, did we, babe?
No.
Didn't sleep great. Probably about 2-3 hours sleep. But we got a volcano to climb.
Some nice shorts you got there, babe.
Look at these ones. They literally got drenched from the bike journey. So I told them up here and they sent someone down to the village to get me some shorts. It cost me £1. My trainers are pretty wet as well from the bike journey. But
You're going to be squelching all the way up there.
we'll be right. Morning. Morning. How are you? You good?
Good. What, this is already? Coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yours coffee.
Lovely, thank you. Just what we need. Babe, are you ready for this?
Go team!
Halfway up and you just got to keep going, babe. You're doing really well, honestly. Just keep telling yourself that you can do it. Don't give up. I know it's hard, keep it going. We've got it. We can stop. These boys are all right. Don't worry about these. Got about half hour left. No, you don't want to be on camera, babe, but
I can't think of anything worse.
no, you're doing so well, though.
I can't believe how up we are.
Oh, I know. You've got about an hour, I reckon, till sunrise. We're going to make it. Got a friend that we've made. The dog's up here.
Dog.
But look at this.
Dog kinta money. Dog live to mountain. Mountain dog. Yeah, mountain dog.
We're literally so close. It's been hard work. Well, steep in places, but we're so close.
I just can't believe I've done it.
I'm so proud of you. Like, I can't believe you made it up here.
It's the hardest thing I've ever done. It was so high up you can't breathe.
Who's this, Mum?
Yeah.
Hi, Mum.
Hi.
Oh, I feel sick.
I've been sick.
Just want to say, I'm so proud of this one. She's literally, it was so hard, but she just kept going. She struggled, but she kept going. So I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Really, really proud of you.
Guys, go out and do something that you don't think you could do, because you can.
We didn't think we could do this, but we've done it, and now, wow.
The view.
Cowboy speaker up.
Cheers.
Look at the steam coming off down there from the volcano.
Yeah, steam from the.
Oh, she wasn't that happy about an hour ago, was she? You got up here. Oh, watch out. Is it really hot?
And it's so
It's just like steam. Oh, got ourselves a friend. So our guide keeps pulling up trees as we're going down, and so what are they?
Yeah, I want put in the garden.
You want to put in your garden?
Yes,
And they are mint?
because mint for the soup,
Okay. 3 plants.
free pot.
It's pretty much the last stretch now. We're starting to feel it though. Georgia's legs are turning a bit to jelly, but it's because we've been walking for so long. But I wish I could have got footage of like the night walk and how steep it was. Like, it was just so steep, could barely breathe. Our guide is amazing. Like, he was so good, like helping Georgia up. Like, definite experience, definitely. It was awesome. I'm buzzing now. To be honest, I was scared. Like, I was scared for Georgia, I was scared for me. We done it, and you got to do these things. You got to get out your comfort zone. You got to be scared. So yeah, no, I'm buzzing, absolutely buzzing about it.
Thank you.
Oh, mate, thank you so much.
Thank
I really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Like my sweatballs are on another level.
I haven't even got any words. I got to take her shoes off for her. But I'll show you the route we took. We've done the green route, which, looking at it now, we could have done the blue route. The boys asked me if you wanted to do it, and I said no, we'll do the green one. Georgia will love the green one. And it was 1,717 metres?
It doesn't do justice fast.
No, it don't, no. Right? That is the one we climbed.
That is the mountain volcano.
Ah, you can say it now. Look at that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. That was no doubt one of the hardest things me and Georgia have ever done. We've got a whole series coming with Indonesia. We're here for 3 months. Don't forget, as usual, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Packing for Places, and we'll see you in the next one.